So since I have the dresser all cleaned out, I just want to go through these real fast, see what I got, and figure out what I need. I am wearing maternity shorts right now, and I did have Ken order me another set of 4 of the same maternity shorts because I love them. And then I also ordered a bodysuit that will be coming today because I wanted to try something different, and a swimsuit that would be stretchy because my belly is already kind of growing, and I know that if we do the beach and stuff during the summer, I'm going to need a swimsuit. And I actually do have 3 swimsuits that I pulled out, but I put them away because obviously I'm not going to be able to fit in them being pregnant. So those are the things. My swimsuit already came. It fits perfectly and I love it. So I think today my shorts and the bodysuit are supposed to come, which I'm excited for, but I just want to go through this, put stuff away, and not have to think about it. So my maternity shorts are in here. I again just ordered the same ones. I think these outfits are one that I can actually wear maternity wise, but I got these outfits for after I gave birth to lounge in. So that's what some of this stuff is. But I think these shorts are going to be stretchy enough to wear. So I might be able to do that. This was actually a hospital gown that I never wore. I bought one and I didn't wear it. I am going to one day go through and over all the stuff that I actually bought for the hospital that I actually never wore because I was bedridden for I think up to 2 days. And then by the time I was out of bed, I was wearing my hospital gown. And then I took a shower and I changed and came home. So I didn't wear any of the stuff. So I'm going to go through that. But yeah. Okay, so I do have a couple shirts that I'm going to hang up. And I did buy a lot of shirts that I already have in there, so they're just gonna get hung up. I do have a couple of like I think just wear around the house or I could sleep in stuff. So I'm actually going to put that probably up top so it's not with this stuff, just so I know exactly where it is. This gown I'm just going to put up there too, just in case for some reason at nighttime I want to throw it on. And then I did find all my maternity underwear that I'm definitely going to be needing soon because the underwear I'm wearing right now I'm kind of stretching out of. So I will put that up there as well. I got to figure out exactly where I want to put it. I think what I'll do is I'll put it to the side, and then when I know I'm going to wear them, I will take out the underwear that's in there, move that over to the side, and then put this in. And then I did have, I think, one, two, three, four, 5 shirts that are maternity shirts, but they are long sleeve. So what I'm actually going to do is put those to the side. Those are all over there. And I'm actually going to put those to the side because I will be pregnant going into fall and winter. So I can actually wear those later on. So those will be put to the side for now. Maybe I will put them in one of the slots up here. Maybe. But that's what I'm going to do. I'll put the shorts in there, put those up there, my underwear to the side, these in the closet, and kind of go from there. So let's go ahead and do that. And just like that, everything is where it should be. So here are the outfits that are maternity or after giving birth that I could just wear like as comfy clothes around the house. Here are just all the winter shirts. Not really sure what to do with them. Just gonna leave them out for now. And then down here I put my maternity underwear and my shorts. I'm gonna put my other shorts in here once they arrive, and probably my bodysuit. And then again, once I'm actually in these, I will just take these out, put those down there, and then do the switcheroo. So now these are all ready to go.